Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and today I will show you how you create Christmas angels. And they're really fun, easy to do. You can do this with your kids, and it's quite quick to create. This one is a really rough one. I pulled the paper out of the booklet, and that then I got some rough edges. This one I inked it with some brown vintage photo ink, and this one with green inked, and I inked it my thumb as well. And this one I created with double sided paper, and I like that one too, so I'm going to create another one with double sided paper. And as I said, it's really easy. You can do that with your kids, niece, nephew, and it's quite quick. So you can create a few in half an hour. So that's always fun for if you want something else in your tree. And I found some lovely paper in the book from Book for Paper Lovers, and now I have to find another nice page for the wings of the angel. And oh, that's nice. Oh, that's too colorful. Oh, that's nice as well. Oh, it's always difficult. I can make a lot more angels. What I see right now. I don't need to show you so much. I will show you how to create the angels. I saw them that they created them with some iron on their neck, but that's not nice. I create them with rope. That's more friendly. And you fold it upside down. If you want to ink it, you have to ink it for the dress the first time, the edges. And I will do this quickly. I don't take it. Some say you have to use things for exactly the same distance, but when they are hanging, you don't see the difference. And at the end, you try to make them um, together and glue them exactly in the middle, and that's always one of the tricky parts. There are not many tricky parts, but this is one of them. That's exactly in the middle, and just some ordinary paper glue is good enough. You don't need very strong things. And then we're gonna create the top of it. I put a clip on it so that it will stick till the end of days. And by the top, if you want to ink it, you don't ink it right now because you're gonna need to cut a little piece off. So I put this on a speed modus of 6 times as fast because you know what I'm doing. So this is going very fast. Now you make that double as well, just like the first one. And then we're going to cut a little bit off. We don't glue this because this will be the dress. Oh, you can't do that like this, of course. No, that's not good as well. Just like this. And if you want the edges to inked, then you do it. You want green or whatever color. Then you do it like this. Then you fold it out again and then inked it. Because otherwise you have to do your work twice. And now we're gonna strangle the angel. And oh, I see that there's a little bit of white still coming through. I didn't glue that very well, or didn't paint it. But well, that will hang in top of the tree or something like that, or in the back. And now rest us what kind of color is the nicest. In this case, it's the blue one. And make a firm knot through the neck of the angel, like a scarf. Well, and as I said, of course, like if you're going to strangle the angel, because otherwise your angel fall apart in during the Christmas dinner, and that's not what you want as well. Now you make the knot, and if you listen very carefully, you hear the angel saying, "Oh," so no, but a little bit too much fantasy, of course. Maybe if you do this with children, you have to need to help it a bit, but just practice, and it will succeed. And make an extra knot so that it won't get loose or something like that. And now you fold it out, and there your angel is coming. And that's it. That's the easy thing. You can do that within a few minutes, and then you have a lovely angel. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you didn't do that already, and don't forget to give it a like. That will help my channel grow as well. And I would like to hear from you if you like this idea or not. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.